So guys, we reached Araku Valley. Guys, such a beautiful view, guys. Amazing. Look at the sky. People, yeah, they are little worried. They are little tense when they are very lonely. Only our car light is here. Only rarely we see. Yeah. It's night and we are talking really low voice because there are other people here. Hey guys! Welcome back to Life Designer. Guys, today we are going through Paleru, right? Paderu. Guys, this place is known for Maoist attack.
Yes.
So we don't know, like,
Yeah, we heard a lot of stories like this from others, like all other localites.
Like
they
when
will say
you
like
see,
this.
you can see armed policemen carrying.
yeah, guys,
Yeah, I saw
on the way we saw a lot of, military dress. Fully equipped, armed police officers standing on the road, and they were checking also.
Yeah, but we're not very sure, and we were supposed to cross earlier, but
Yeah,
morning
it's
was
already
late,
dark.
so it's a little.
Yeah.
Boys are told to be, coming out and doing all these things during night times and evening times.
Uh-huh.
And now it's turning dark.
And it's almost dark.
Yes,
We are safe till morning, guys. There is no risk of all these things. But when it turns dark, we have to be really careful.
guys, but also,
area.
we are also tense because it's getting dark, but also Maoists are humans, what to be scared about, like.
Yes.
Yeah, they are
see
also
what is going to
humans.
happen.
We can't categorize or generalize a kind of
Yeah.
community
Not
like that.
everyone. Yeah.
Guys, this is Paderu. Guys, such a beautiful view, guys. Amazing. Look at the sky. I think it's almost going to rain, and over there, you can see the whole mountain is covered by clouds, guys. We are not even able to see the sharp edges of the mountain, guys. It's that much covered with clouds. And also at night, there is coldness is very much, guys. It's getting colder here. Wow, guys, we are on our way to Araku Valley. Guys, this place is Paderu. Guys, see, it's actually dark now. Yeah, it's very late, and
And we need to go as soon as possible, guys.
Yeah.
Try to go back.
Bro, if something happened to us,
We did have a couple of people stop by earlier. Not sure if they were police or they were dressed as army men with like armed.
they were fully armed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are also people saying that Maoists are not against to public, but they're against to government. Like when government comes up with not anything happening to public, or when they are not good, then Maoists goes against
Okay.
protest
Against
the
the government.
and all those stuff.
Yeah, but you know what? Outside people, not
here.
The outside, this
People who go
people,
outside this
yeah,
village.
they are little worried. They are little tense when they are
there will
talking
be
about.
attack and all, especially at the night and morning or something.
Yeah.
That time.
Guys,
So
now
they were warning
it's
us
dark.
to go really quick. Don't wait till sunset.
Even
Don't
we
stay
planned
here.
like that to go before.
But
we
we
were
didn't
late.
take any risks, so yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, it's turning dark, and even we are like little afraid, like how this goes our journey to
Yeah.
Araku.
No,
Guys,
yeah,
actually it'll take a long.
let it happen, whatever.
Yeah.
We'll beg for our lives.
Ah.
Little
ले लो hero.
That's actually
Guys,
Kannada.
anything happens, we'll beg them.
These people know Telugu, Tamil, anything like that.
Yeah, they know. I'm not afraid.
But if I trap, then I will be alone and what I will
They
do.
just let them go, man. They just let them go. They won't be somehow we'll by holding their legs or something will somehow escape. We have bad and we can ask them to watch our channels.
What?
We can also ask them to watch our channel.
Maybe we can show them.
Cook crab curry and eat with them.
Wow.
We can give them
Nice, guys. Okay, guys, it's a very lonely road here.
Nothing is
Yeah, nothing is there. Both the side forest. Very lonely. Only our car light is here. Only rarely we see. Yeah, full forest, guys. Full forest. I don't know if you guys can see outside, but full forest, guys. Yeah, guys, both the sides full of forest, and I can just see this road. Guys, it's actually really dark. You know, the silence of the surrounding is really silent. And it's little bit drizzling, guys. It's little bit started raining. It's drizzling. Yeah, the climate is also changing. I think it will be raining heavily after this. Don't know. Yeah, guys. So guys, we reached Araku Valley.
Shivering cold now.
Yeah, it's really cold. And we came to have, tea here, but they have amazing snacks. It was just made, guys. Variety of snacks. And they just made it. And they just kept the oil aside. It is just all special snacks here, right?
Yeah, these are the local snacks they all cook. These are chakralu.
Chakralu.
Or jantugulu, we call it as jantugulu also sometimes.
Yeah. And these are arselu. These are traditionally made with ghee, but they made with oil right now. And these are ponganalu. These are sweet, guys. This is also sweet. That is also sweet. And this is bonda, but this is a sweet version of bonda, guys. And last one is pakoda. In rain, you have to have pakoda, guys.
Pakoda and rain.
And there are few appadams. Which are appadams.
Oh, what did you just have?
We just had it for. Sorry, guys.
These guys are having like.
Guys, we are going to try this out. Ponganam, right?
Hi, it's so crispy. I can feel it.
Nice guy.
It's not too sweet, but enough.
Pakora now. No, second one. Oh, everything have different taste. I mixed everything together.
Guys, let's taste everything. We'll take in one plate, every variety. Anna,
Okay, anni pettinga.
or variety. Paper lo. Guys, I would have liked it.
Natural like. Black orange.
Wait, guys.
Guys, he's going to give us all the varieties that he just made into one plate, guys.
This is like a snack.
This is like
Snack meal.
dense.
yes, guys, look at this. Wow, it's so yum. So let's have all these snacks, tasty snacks from Araku, guys.
And this fresh one.
Yeah, let's go.
Which is the freshest one? Freshest.
Which is hottest? That is the freshest.
No hot, but I think I need to taste this.
What did you just have?
That one. The crispy one.
Chakralu.
Chakralu. This is chakralu.
This is very crispy, man.
Uncle, long and
Very homemade feel.
Just like your mom makes.
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah.
What is this?
Guru, try chakralu. Chakralu is good.
This is good. Chakralu is good. What is this? That is ariselu. Ariselu. This is a traditional.
chakralu are hot.
You just had a half. Put it in your.
It's a perfect half, guys. It's a smiley.
W. Now I'm going to make a bigger W.
Chakralu are hot.
Oh, you just ate it more than half.
Oh man, I like this one.
Which one is that?
Arisalu.
Shit, how is it? You like it?
It's nice.
I am enjoying it.
Actually, Arisalu tastes like burelu, guys.
I don't know this.
I don't
Names are
understand
little
the names.
confusing.
Everything is aloo. Aloo is plural word.
Potato.
No, that's in Hindi.
In Telugu, if you add lu,
Guys,
it
we
becomes
have a
plural.
mini towel here.
Okay.
Bro, this is the best.
If you, for example, this is arise. If you take more, it will be arisalu.
So now it is Arisu.
Yeah.
If we take
Singular,
two,
plural.
Arisalu.
Arisalu.
Simple, guys. Very simple vocabulary.
Very simple, guys. What's next?
What is that? I think I tasted everything.
Zoe is having Arisalu.
There is-
That is her favorite. She just went all the way there and took one more.
If she had only one, it's Arisu, not Arisu. Grammar mistake.
Good one. Telugu grammar, bro.
Yeah.
It will be
Very
ponda,
important.
but it's not cooked inside properly.
Guys, sweet bonda.
How's it? Is it sweet wonder?
Anna, ఇది ఇప్పుడియా cooked.
Banana.
లోపల ఉడకలేదు అన్న.
Not properly cooked.
Yeah. Because of oil.
Did we vlog this?
No.
Ah.
Yeah.
Guys, this is sweet bonda, right?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. Who called it sweet bonda?
Me.
That is bure.
Oh, bure.
Then burelu. If it's not burelu.
Bure.
I am learning Telugu.
One, only one. Bure.
Bure.
Bure, yeah.
Yeah. Buri.
Buri.
Sweet only.
Arasu.
Arisu. Bro.
Actually, the names are little
How is it?
confusing.
This is good.
So tasty, guys. Guys, there is a lot more snacks. Everyone is coming to buy
There are a lot of other people,
Yeah.
other customers.
So good.
It's getting because the way the arrangement is very tempting.
Arasu is the best.
See, I said no. Bestseller.
is good.
Arasu is the best. Like I
Arsalu is the best seller. Huh?
everything is like in this.
Arasu is top. Let's buy Arasu.
Guys, here at night he gets a lot of customers who just, who want to like. I think these are the daily customers. Do you want to talk to them?
Another round, guys. Bye.
Whenever there is rain, obviously you need to have some snacks. పొద్దున 9 నుంచి స్నాక్స్ ఉంటాయా? Okay, he starts the shop in morning 9, guys.
Oh, so
Okay, around 8 o'clock he'll close, which means after
The whole
he's gonna
day.
close the shop.
Okay, within 15 minutes the shop will be closed, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. 7:48 yeah.
We are in a good
అంటే
time.
ప్రతిరోజు ఈ షాప్ పెడతారు అంటే రోజు ఐటమ్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంటాయి.
Same item.
Okay, so every day he'll be cooking the same item.
same special items, right?
So the every day.
Yeah.
That's how much it's selling.
Yeah.
So the
How
daily
many years
customers
has it
will be in love with
ఎప్పటి నుంచి
this.
ఉంటున్నారన్న? ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి? ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు ఇంచుమించు? We don't know the exact count, but
అంటే
he's
అంత ముందు నుంచి ఇక్కడ Oh guys, this shop is coming from generations like his grandfathers, fathers. All
I
of
know
them
him.
have passed on the shop to him and he's carrying on with that shop.
యా అన్న ఎవరెవరు వస్తూ ఉంటారు కస్టమర్స్ ఇక్కడికి? ఊర్లో వాళ్ళు వస్తారు, బయట వాళ్ళు వస్తారు. ఓకే హీ గెట్స్ village people as customers, but also who is traveling on the road like us as the main customers.
Guys, we have a nice fireplace here. You guys are all very, yeah, guys. Wow, nice hot place. Not at all.
Actually, it's so cold outside.
Yeah,
How much? 22 degrees or something. Yeah. 27.
guys, nice coals. You can see it's super hot. He just put the oil there after making, and it's still hot.
Hot air traditional way of making. Still they are following the same. Roof, it's completely dark with the smoke and stuff. Lot of cooking has taken place here and it's there from very long time. Generations. Yeah.
Hey guys, we reached Harida Hill Resort. So guys, we actually planned of, you know, staying in tents and on the way somewhere really, you know, cool and all, but it didn't happen, and it is really unsafe to do so, and it started raining also. So we booked a resort in AP Tourism. So this is a government resort. So guys, we came to this place which is Harida Resort, Valley Resort, which is in Araku Valley. So this is, we booked through online Andhra Pradesh Tourist Department.
Government run.
Yeah guys, this is the reception and that's the canteen over there.
We got it for a pretty cheap price, guys. 950 around.
So 950 per room guys.
For our budget.
Yes guys,
Two people per room, 950 rupees. I won't say it's cheap, but it's pretty affordable.
Yes guys, it's night and we are talking really low voice because there are other people here, guests, so we don't want to disturb them. Otherwise they will throw us out of
We
this.
thought of tenting somewhere, but it is not safe at this time. This place. Yeah, so we thought we'll book a
Yeah.
cheaper area.
Yes guys.
And there are
affordable
also
place.
arrangements like campfire and stuff here. And actually the rooms are really clean.
Yeah guys,
For
we are not
950.
taking campfire because it's costly again.
And they are saying around 2,500 for one
2,500.
campfire. We can get 3 rooms, almost like 3 rooms if we bargain like that.
So guys, we just had tea from there.
From the restaurant we
From
had
the
tea.
restaurant over there, and we are coming back to our rooms now.
For the first time,
And
we wore jackets.
this is a whole, we'll show it in the morning. This is just an overview. We parked the Fortuner here, and this is the way we go to our rooms. So we booked around 4 rooms guys. So we'll show you our rooms.
Actually,
This is a really nice place
during the
guys.
online booking, it was like two people per one room.
Uh-huh.
So we booked 4 rooms and we gave 1 room for Shri sir.
Okay.
And then the rest 3 we all are adjusting there.
Okay guys, these are our rooms. What is all, where is it starting from? Here, right? So guys, this is our room. Can you open, bro?
Yeah.
Who has the keys?
506 guys.
This is me and Zoe staying here. Today my roommate is Zoe. We spin and took. Guys, she's horror.
Get the keys first.
Yeah guys, she's searching inside her bag. What do you have in this bag? And also guys, we have other rooms here. Meanwhile Zoe is opening our room. This is whose room?
Me and Resh is staying here.
Okay, Resh and EO is staying here. And here,
Lit tricks and never staying.
yeah, lid tricks and now we asked for an extra bed. And here is Shri is here guys.
So double cot we 3 are adjusting. We are completely fine with
Very
that.
thin.
Yeah, that's why we made them here. These small people in this room.
Only they will fit together.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them, they fit well in this frame also. Like, see, you go.
People.
Can I also join this?
Guys, let's go inside the room and check. Actually, it's pretty cheap and it's a decent room.
If you can see, there is a snail, yellow snail.
Snake?
Snake.
Guys, let's go inside my room. I'll show it to you. Me and Zoe.
Actually,
Every room is same. Yeah. Guys, this is the room. Wow.
Pretty good room.
It's actually pretty well, maintained room.
Pretty clean room.
Guys, we messed it up with our luggages and things.
The moment we entered, we messed up the room. That's a specialty.
Yes, guys, and they have a wardrobe also. I've never opened it.
I checked this first to just check if anything is there. Rick
Oh.
came to the room, she opened
Guys,
the
there is
wardrobe, and she was like, there is no ghost.
what is over there?
Mosquitoes will come.
Ah.
Maybe we can open it tomorrow morning.
Mosquitoes is fine.
Oh lord, it's mosquito net is there. Guys, in hill ranges, the resorts, you have to be very much careful about snakes. Okay, because you might find it in the washroom. So first flush and see if there is anything in the flush or bathtub. Here we don't have bathtub. It is just one European closet and the setup, but it's pretty neat, guys.
Oh my god, this is so neat.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a very good room for 950 rupees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
And ask for a bathtub for 950 rupees.
Guys, we are super tired. We are going to sleep now. And in the morning, we'll explore Araku Valley. Guys, good night. Guys, Eo is knocking the door again. Let's see what is she doing here. What do you want?
Can I get laptop?
Oh yeah, I thought you left.
I just took it from outside.
Oh,
I
it
thought of
looks
wearing
pretty.
it tomorrow, but it's so.
Okay, guys, where is your laptop?
Guys, no, two. This is actually I thought of wearing.
Oh yeah, here is your laptop.
No, there is Photoshop.
Are you gonna do your Photoshop work here? Then close the door.
I like to disturb everyone.
Put her footwear also inside. Just in case.
No, guys, you're going to sleep. Guys, Eo came to her room and started doing Photoshop, so we're gonna sleep now. Good night.